Hello everyone. Today I will talk about sitting meditation posture and how to develop its habit. The reason why I introduce sitting meditation posture is we have the most of the time to sit for doing something. For example, for eating, for reading, for driving or moving in a car or transportation, when we have take a break after work, during the work, when we type the laptop, when we study. So from students to office workers, from young to old, we have a lot of time to sit and doing something. So we can use this kind of like a time. We have a lot of sitting time. That means we have a lot of chance to sit and do meditation. Our channel's goal is to keep doing meditation, not just trying few times and up and down. We don't want to do that, right? So keep making meditation habit and you actually doing meditating. You need to find a better strategy. So try this way and to find your own habit and activity you can apply to this in your daily life. When you think of sitting meditation, the most stereotype, the image in your head is sitting on the floor, especially on the yoga mat, and doing lotus posture. Leg closed, each other. Every time when you see the picture, they look so peaceful and calm. But once you try it in person, it's not easy. You have to deal with the pain. But doing meditation is not patience test. You can do other way to increase your patience. But meditation is not like a thing you have to push through the pain, or you have to deal with a lot of those painful moments. Sitting can be a lot of ways. Today I will introduce the way you can sit on the chair. Chairs also has a lot of kinds, but I try to introduce like a more like a comfortable chair. And this is my meditation / reading couch. It has a wide room space, so you can sit like this way. And when you do start meditation, it's not comfortable like sitting like this. You can use the cushion or blanket, any kind of like a thing, adjust the height. So you can sit on the cushion like this. You can adjust and you can feel your own balance and feeling. You gotta find this feeling. So everyone has a different body shape, right? So someone has need a less higher, like a flat cushion or blanket. Even though some clothes, you can make it and adjust it. Like a book, anything can be possible. So you can adjust like this. So today we are not talk about how to do meditate, just sit, how to sit. So I introduce different kind of variation how you can sit, right? Some meditation program recommend left foot on the right thigh or right foot on the left thigh. I think there is no rule, to be honest, but there is some reason behind it, I'm pretty sure. But we gotta focus on how we keep doing it, not how to sit. We are talking about how to sit, but I mean, don't obsess with this posture only. The main focus is you keep doing it. So try to find your way to keep it as habit. So you can sit like this, or left foot on your thigh like this. Usually it's better to pull to the as much as you can, but it again, don't push too much. It's not a patience issue, right? So do as much as you can and just find the balance. You feel not too comfortable, not too uncomfortable. Don't stuck in the extreme approach. You should find your own balance so you can adjust it. Or, of course, opposite way will be possible, right? So sitting like this is okay too. I'm just trying to introduce the other variation. So right foot on left thigh. To me, I think this one is more comfortable feeling. So it doesn't mean that I just too comfortable. So yeah, it depends on the person, and maybe depends on the day, depends on the mood. Maybe you can switching and adjusting. Next one is just put the other leg down. Yeah, like sitting like this, just a really regular way when normally we sit on a chair like this, right? And you can just do the same thing, just put a one leg on the, so you can sit just like this. You can do the meditation like this, doesn't matter, right? And the other way is also possible. Yeah, so you can do like this too. If you feel like it's too tight or you feel uncomfortable, you can try to like adjust this way too. But also when time goes by, your back, or so you gotta care about your back is actually okay. So don't be too straight, don't be too loose. Try to find the balance. So I'm talking about the balance, but it doesn't mean that you can change your posture every 5 to 10 seconds. That's too much, right? But also you shouldn't push through. You feel a lot of painful posture. So avoid those extreme. You find your own balance. One of those posture you can find your comfortable and position. So lastly, I can show you the lotus posture. So this chair is wide, has a wide space, but it's also not enough for the lotus posture. But I just try to demonstrate simply. So you can do like this. This is not the ideal and the best way of sitting meditation posture. You should know that. It can be part of one of the postures and most popular and well-known meditation posture since the ancient time, but it doesn't mean that it's the best or only one ideal way of meditation. This is quite burdening posture for some people too, right? Like I said, everyone has a different body shape. Everyone has different way of move the body and feel comfortable. So don't obsess with this posture too much. Someday you can find it is time to try, just try it. And don't be try to only try to obsess with this way and just you gotta lose the actual meditation, you know? So lastly, what I can give you some tips. So when you have to change your posture, during meditation, there's some point you feel uncomfortable more and you feel painful more. So but some people say no pain, no gain. I gotta push through this. I'm just gonna keep doing it even if it's painful. Again, it's not a patient test. But also I mentioned every 5 to 10 second change is also not good too, right? Those are extreme approach. So there's a point bothering your actual meditation because your pain is too stick out. You're distracted to that pain too much. The balance is off. Then you have to change your posture or adjust at least, you know? So meditation is watching and observing, not just sitting through the pain. So when you feel, okay, I feel uncomfortable, I cannot focus on what I'm doing, and then slowly just switching the position. Like, okay, I feel much better this way, or even this way, and the way we started from like this. So remember, there's no rule, there's no idea, only one posture. The key is you keep doing it, not try to follow or make the ideal posture. Explore many different ways of sitting, and if you find your own sitting meditation posture, and keep doing it. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.